Is your iPhone completely not turning on? Try these fixes to save your device. Quickly press volume up, then volume down. After that, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Still not working? Connect your iPhone to a computer and open iTunes. Repeat the same button steps, but this time keep holding the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. Choose Update to reinstall iOS without losing your data. If updating doesn't work, try using Phone Tool Repair on your PC. Open iOS System Repair and choose Standard Mode. The tool will automatically download a firmware for your device. Once the download is complete, click Start Repair. If nothing works, try Deep Mode. But keep in mind, it will erase all your data. Got your iPhone working again? Save this video for your next emergency.